And now we're in a situation where the president seems to be in a corner that he can't get out of. Some have called it an escalation trap. I thought initially that he would be really hemmed in by two things: markets on the one hand, munitions on the other. Markets in the sense that the longer this went on, and
Right.
you saw gas prices going up, as you saw
Fertilizer,
LNG
diesel.
prices going up, as you saw fertilizer price, et cetera, that there would be a real constraint, especially the closer you got to midterm elections.
Hmm.
And then munitions, we're fast running through a lot of critical munitions, both defensive as well as offensive, that we need in other theaters potentially to act as a deterrent. And I think the president knows that, or at least I hope he knows that. And I think he wants to get out of the corner he's put himself into. He's been looking for an off ramp, but he can't find it. And he can't accept the proposition that he's also created an entirely new reality that didn't exist before this war, which is the Strait of Hormuz. There's a good reason, Andy, why administration after administration, while trying to make sure that Iran never had a nuclear weapon, was very careful about the way we did that, and particularly not getting into a situation with them where they thought that the regime was existentially threatened, as they obviously do now. We knew that one thing that they could do would be to close the Strait of Hormuz, and it would be very difficult for us to open it again, absent some kind of land invasion of Iran, a country of 90 million people. And in addition to that, we have troops in the region, whether it's in Saudi Arabia, whether it's in the UAE, whether it's in Qatar, whether it's in Iraq, who would be endangered. And what have we seen? They closed the strait and they've killed our troops. So this was not thought through. And beyond that, getting out of it now is very, very challenging.